Hello students, we are going to continue with Introduction to Estimation, lecture number 2. In this, we are going to understand units of measurement and units of payment of different items of work in construction. So, first of all, we will try to understand units of measurements for different works. So, the works may be, or the units of measurements are dependent on the nature of work, shape of the work and size of the work. So, the units of measurements are mainly categorized for their nature, shape and size and for making the payments to the contractors. Units of measurement consists of single unit works, and these single unit works are expressed in numbers. Say for example, we have doors, windows and trusses. So here there are pictures which is of door, window and truss. So for example, if you require 10 number of doors, 10 number of windows and 10 number of trusses, so here the trusses are nothing but the supporting members of roof. Secondly, units of measurement consists of linear measurements, and these linear measurements are considered in running meters. So in this running meter, in this linear measurement, units of measurement are having examples for service pipelines. These service pipelines may be water supply pipelines, say consider sewer lines, etc. And then coming to cornice. Cornice is nothing but the architectural element which is used to decorate the interior of the rooms. Then coming to fences. Fence is nothing but the temporary compound built for an area. Handrail is nothing but the supporting member while climbing the staircases. So here we are, these are the examples for linear measurements. Pipes are also, pipes, cornice, fencing and handrail are taken in running meters. Now coming to discussion with area measurements or surface measurements. So area is calculated in unit of square meters. So for example, plastering is one of the example. Plastering 1 square meter area or 10 square meter area or 100 meter square area, so of plaster work. So similarly here in the second image we are having painting work here. So painting, whitewashing for the buildings, exterior painting is all considered in square meter areas. Third example is partition walls. So partition wall of less thicknesses are calculated, or it is measured in square meters. So square meters, the partition walls may be of wooden partition, glass partition, metal partition, aluminum partition and so on. So next we have units of measurement in cubical contents. Okay, the works which are having meter cube as an unit. So here there are 3 examples taken up for learning. Earthwork. So this earthwork is also measured in meter cube because length, width and depth of the excavation is considered. So there are 3 dimensions. So in this excavation, so we consider it as the unit of measurement for earthwork as cubic meters. Concrete work is also considered into cubic meters. Masonry work, brick work, stone masonry, it may be of lime mortar, cement mortar, anything, but the masonry work is taken up in cubic meters. Now we will try to understand units of payment. Till now we understood units of measurement, how to measure the works. Now in which unit we need to pay the contractor, those units we are going to understand. So for different items of work, I have listed 12 number of works in this. So first one is earthwork. Earthwork is we know that this column of units of measurement we have understood for different works here. Earthwork is cubic meter, concrete is cubic meter. You may understand the damp proof course at plinth level in square meters. You can see brickwork, stonework, these two are nothing but masonry, so it is again considered into cubic meters. Then coming to steel work, woodwork. Woodwork can compare woodwork, say consider furnitures are there, so that is considered as cubic meter, okay, in units of measurement, okay, measurement unit. Measurement unit, and except doors and windows which are taken up in numbers, okay. Then for those units of payment, it is all calculated in percentage meter cube, percentage square meter for damp proof course. Steel work, you can understand steel work and iron grills. Steel work is measured in weights, quintal, okay, per quintal the payment unit is per quintal. And iron grills, maybe window grills or railings for the staircases are taken up in square meters, and its payment unit is per square meter. Roofing is considered as cubic meters. Centering and shuttering, nothing but the supporting members, while for the beams, columns and slabs are taken up in square meters. Plastering, pointing and finishing is taken in square meters, and its unit of payment is per square meter. Glass panels and flooring is taken up in square meter again. Rainwater pipeline, plain pipelines, unit of measurement is running meter, and its mode of payment or unit of payment is per running meter. Say also you can consider the for example, running meter means say 10 feet of pipeline is having so much of rate. Say consider 50 rupees per meter, 60 rupees per meter. So per meter length the rates are finalized. So thank you for listening patiently and understanding the topic.